Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate croissants. First, combine your dry ingredients like flour, sugar, and yeast. Then, gradually add cold butter and water to form a shaggy dough. Knead it gently until just combined, then wrap it tightly. Remember to chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for developing flavor and texture. Now, let's tackle lamination, which creates those beautiful flaky layers. Roll your chilled dough into a rectangle, then fold it into thirds. This is your first turn. Repeat this rolling and folding process 2 more times, ensuring you chill the dough for 20 minutes after each turn. This resting period is vital for relaxing the gluten and preventing tears. With your laminated dough ready, it's time to shape. Roll the dough to about 1/4 inch thick, then cut it into triangles, roughly 4 inches wide at the base. Place 2 pieces of your favorite chocolate at the wide end of each triangle. Gently roll them up, starting from the wide end, to form the classic croissant shape. Ensure the tip is tucked underneath. Finally, the moment of truth: baking. Let your shaped croissants proof for 1.5 to 2 hours in a warm place until they are visibly puffy. Then, bake them at 375 degrees F for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. They'll emerge flaky and fragrant, ready to enjoy. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.